think he's a Hollywood actor, you know.
The senior Rasta City gang member said they'd been set up and mistreated by the police for too long, and they were planning to tell more soon about illicit police activity.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country boss, country gal, big up yourself. Silent, nuclear Rasta man, J.A. man, 306. Last but not least, country boy. Country boy, I'm a dog. Big up yourself. You know me I talk. You heard the clip that I played earlier. And this was from last year. About just after summer. The issue with the gang man, them, the gang thing in Trinidad. And the gang. I said I wasn't going to do a video upon it, but I've been talking to my contacts them and doing some deep dive research. And what really struck me about this thing, it's how tone deaf the police is in a Trinidad, dog. And to me, it's like the same set of police them in a Jamaica. The only difference with Trinidad and Jamaica, the man them at Trinidad have more money, and the man them at Trinidad more tactical. Yeah, the man them at Trinidad now play. You understand? But the Rasta City and the young youth them are complaining to the police have a death squad. We are get rid of them. And the police are fuel enough for the killing them with the gang them. That will fuel the war. And that the man I said. And if you look on some of the slap with him, all the youth there, Sandman, a 8-man guy mouse, you know, in a tactical outfit, fling with him and him wife and the people them in there. And then drive go down at the beach, burn up the car with them driving and jump in at some boat and sail where. Up to now, them not. One youth there, one youth in the shorter, and him did go back to one hospital after the incident and the mullah upon him and charge him. But everybody knows how him do it. You understand? But the man them are complaining about some serious things. Let's move on with this equation. The man them a say, listen, if you name police, you mark for the slap with dog. The man them a say, the ministers them in our government, them a go deal with them case to because the man them I do all sort of a thing. I give them machine, I give them money, and then I send police pan them for dash them way. What does that sound like? That sound like Jamaica. It sound like Guyana. What is really going on in the Caribbean, dog? The man them say them are going to unite, and to be fair, make me update you know. There was a big demonstration, roadblock, after him come out with this thing here. There was a big roadblock. But the reason why me I do this is just for update, you know, and make you know, say, yo, the situation is still tense. You understand? Now, Gary Griffin, the police commissioner, him stepped down. After all that, him stepped down. And then you have a new commissioner now. You understand? But the situation is still intense. And the gang them still a war with them one another. You understand? Now, that looks spooky, like what the great Sir P said. Because to me, it looked like the police them involved in a certain things. I get rid of the man them. Now, let me keep on with the update. So, him say, him tired of the police them, I treat them bad. Him say, the officer, I fight them down, and have some unjust things. Them I set up the man them over a place when name John. Him call couple man name, Nelson and Duncan. What them do is like them take the man them out of Cockburn Pen and then drop them over Tower Hill in the Labour right side or over Garden, or take the Garden man them out of Garden. And that the police are that he must say on the news media where the police them a do. Nobody now hear him. You understand? Him say them a go talk some things where the politician them a do. And at the first in our history, them ever step up because them get blamed for a lot of things. You understand? Him say the minister them deal with us on a daily basis. Them give us machine. Them give us money. Him say the minister them play a sick role in a certain things what them do. Him say everything in a Trinidad what them do is political. You understand? Him say everything, let me repeat it again, them do in a Trinidad is political. The man go on for say the slap we are Joel Jacob and Noel Diamond and Israel Clinton that set off the protest, but it have a deeper link and them tired. The man them say, once again, them come, them pick up the man them from one side and then drop them over the other side and then link the other man them face, slap them with. So I guess the police them a help with moving the man them. Yo, it crazy. Now, him say the slap way of Dufu, this is one gang leader now, you know. The police them dash him with Dufu Myers, Nigel Dufu Myers. Now do something upon him. Him come from the Morant area. Him did a go talk. Cause him a work with the police them just like Dog Pa. You understand? And them fling him away. And that kind of set it off. Now, with that said, you have another man come up and another gang member come and him come on Facebook and him say, yo, Gary Griffin better put camera upon the police them just like Jamaica. Yo, B. It's plain as day for see we are going in our country, dog. You understand? Me are not Trinidadian, me are Jamaican, and at the same thing I go on. I feel like me are Trini because at the same thing, there is really no difference. The only difference is the man them are Trinidad have more money and more things are going on in their backyard. You can't go to Venezuela with $500 and come back nice. So, if you do your thing. Now, Gary Griffin say, this are before him step down. Him not care about the gang them, and him not make no gang member run him country. Him know what's going on. You understand? Now, the National Security Minister, Stuart Young, a China boy, say this is a threat and it needs to be investigated. And then after that, the protest did start. Now, it's a year later, and things still tense over Trinidad. There is no end to the gang warfare. There is no end to the police. I kill them on them. And there is no end to it. So, there is something going on. Now, the leader, when him come, I make on the ear before I come off. When him come on, him say he might talk about the police them and the corruption and the minister them and the corruption and nobody not hear him. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button. Let me know what you think about this. What is going on in Trinidad? And we are going to say Jamaica too. And we are going to say Guyana. We are going to say Bahamas. We are going to say the whole of the Caribbean. What is going on? Sit back and watch the full clip. Countryman, I'm out.
For years of what they see as oppression.
Name police from this week, you mark for that. Man or woman. On sending police, you mark for that. Right? Phase 2, we will deal with ministers. They will never know Trinidad youth men have so much ability. You understand? Police will now hold their head and ball this weekend.
The Rasta City lieutenant who reached out to CNC3 News said the protests of the last 2 days are only the beginning.
Little do they know, we unite, all enemies unite, to put all the differences aside, to form one alliance, to war the biggest gang in Trinidad and Tobago, which is the police gang. You understand? It will be bloody, because we are real guns. You understand? We are real guns, and we are real manpower.
The underworld figure also made allegations against the ministers he says played a part in fueling this situation.
Ministers dealing with gangsters on a daily basis, right? They give me guns, they give me money, they pay me to do certain things, because everything is political, you know? Everything is political. You understand? But this thing will not get out of hand. Because if we talk about 40 days and he follows some plot, they say no plot. Right? I've had no plot. He just like I said, a star boy thing. He's a Hollywood actor, you know?
The senior Rasta City gang member said they'd been set up and mistreated by the police for too long, and they were planning to tell more soon about illicit police activities.